Hi, my name is Aniket Arvind, and I'm an intern here at Emergence AI. And I'm going to be showing you how you can integrate Emergence's web orchestrator agent with Llama Index. So as you can see here, this is a Git repo that I created to sort of detail how you can accomplish this. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to accomplish this task. So the first thing you're going to want to do is copy this Git repository or clone this Git repository. So we've already done that, or I've already done that. Um, so what we're going to do is just cd into the the repo. And so now that we're into that repo, we can now create a virtual environment. So we'll just do that here. And then we can just activate the virtual environment. Okay, so now that we have this virtual environment set up, we can now install all of the basic requirements for this project. So the way you can do that is simply installing the requirements.txt here. So we'll just do that. You'll see that it's just going through with that. It should take about 10 seconds to 15 seconds max. Um, and once we have accomplished this, which you'll see here, just clear the terminal. And what's important with this is that you have to actually show the project what your API keys are. So in order to do that, you have to create a .env file. So we'll just create that, and then we can into it. So this is what this .env file will look like. Obviously, I'm using a terminal, but in VS Code, you'll have an actual file, a visual file that you can edit. So here, what we're going to do is just copy this, and then we can edit our basic keys. So I'm just going to go get the keys, and then I'll be right back. All right, so now that we have the actual API keys already instantiated within our .env file, we can safely close this by doing Command X, um, sorry, Control X, and then we'll do Y and then Enter. And so now our .env file is fully set up. Um, Now we're actually good to go to run this example project. So we can just do Python llama index dash integration py. And within a few seconds, you'll have an option to enter your prompt. So we'll just say, what is the state of the VC space right now? So the way this actually works is it creates a workflow ID within the Emergence web orchestrator. And then because the web orchestrator takes a bit of time to gather all the results, what this project essentially does is it polls the web orchestrator. So every time, every 15 seconds, this web orchestrator is polled to see, okay, is the output a success yet? And once it is a success, um, then it actually outputs the results. But until then, it keeps polling. So that's what you see here. You see polling attempt one, polling attempt two. These are every 15 seconds, it essentially runs another poll attempt. So this is essentially to make sure that the output that we receive is a legitimate output and is actually the output that we want. So this should take another max 10 to 15 seconds, and then we'll see a result. As you can see here, the result is fully outputted or output exactly as we want, which is super cool. So I hope that makes sense, and feel free to reach out if you have any other questions.